So I need to take these out, those out. I'm gonna want to take everything in one piece, so I'm gonna take these two, the four pieces, these two and the other two right there, and hopefully I just take out the hangers and take everything in one piece. If I'm struggling, I'm just gonna take them out then in pieces, but hopefully I don't struggle with that, and I just take it from the white pipe all the way to the end. I need all that pipe for that can get and make the example with this. Okay, so let's get on it. Finally. I was struggling with this. It got stuck, so apparently it wouldn't come out, so I had to get some stuff, put it inside and hammer it where it can come out. I think I'm gonna have to get a new one. See, old and rust. So yeah, let's go to the next one. Second one. Take these out. Kind of hard having my hand with this. I need my two hands. Give me a second. Okay guys, I know that you're gonna say that it's easy to take off, but this has a while. I haven't even touched this exhaust, so it's kind of like hard and rusty and stuff. So I just decided to take out the nut out of this right here. I'll put it back. I'll take it out later when it's off, and I'll put it back in. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this with the rest of them. See if I can reach without the extension. Yep, no extension. So I just pulled it out. It came out. So now I just need to take out the rest. But a quick recap. We took 2 bolts. There are these. This came out with the 9/16. That one. Same on the other side. So it's 2, 3, 4, 4. Then I had to take out the other bolts that was $12. So I took that one out, that one, and another one in the front, and sorry, in the back. So 4 in total. So let's take this out. Sorry, I forgot about these. This one right here. So I'm gonna try to take, no, I'm gonna have to take that bolt out and this one. Same in the other side. For that, all the exhaust can come out easily. So again, those are gonna be the same size, I believe. 12. Oh, I'm gonna need a long one though, not a short one. So let's do it. Finally, this is off. This is the OEM one. Again, I'm gonna take out the hangers for that I can install them back into the car, and then I'll just leave the exhaust, the full exhaust here, so I can create mine. Again, I got the parts from Summit Racing, from Megan Racing, and for HKS. So it's gonna be fun. Hopefully it sounds beautiful how I'm like imagining. But see, this is the OEM one. Yeah. Okay guys, I already put the bolts just in case for that I don't lose them. I already put that back. I already put the hangers, everything, so I don't lose them. I don't want to keep them laying around, you know, and later have to look for them. So I put them back, and that's the way I'm not gonna lose them that way, you know. So everything's done. Let me show you the new exhaust I'm gonna have made up. All right, they're just here without the pipes. I just have the catalytic converters on them. Sorry for the, I know my car is kind of dirty, but can you hear it? So this is what I had, Outlaw Resonator Flowmaster X-Pipe Summit. Then I got the pipes. I have more in that box. I have more in that one. I got the HKS exhaust right here. And then I got the white pipe Mega exhaust. Woo-hoo. Oh, this sounds better than the OEM, you know? What up guys, this is Rika. So now we're doing the exhaust. Since my dad came, he's gonna help me a little bit because he knows how to weld. I don't know. So I took off the OEM exhaust, as you guys saw, and we're gonna go based on that for that we can create our own, because I have already the HKS exhaust for the mufflers, and then I got the Megan Racing, but I just need the mid pipes. Those I cannot find, or if I find them, they're like really expensive. So I just bought a lot of the same material, 304T stainless steel, same diameter, 2.5, and we're gonna create it ourselves. Get the measurements, everything, make it like official OEM style. But everything correct for that, we can put it with no problem. Stay tuned. I'll be back now. Vamos a agarrar este y este poquito más.
terminamos esto, vamos a ir al auto parts. Quiero ver, hay pedazos de tubo ahí. Quiero ver si hay una medida de ese para ese. Si hay, entonces no tenemos que hacer esto, todo eso soldar. Si hay.
Okay guys, so we're making a custom. We're trying to take that little piece, since it's a good part, tag it up with the resonators, X pipe, and with some T304 steel, stainless steel. We're gonna make the whole body, the whole exhaust, sorry, exact. What's up guys, this is a couple weeks later from since my dad was here helping us do the exhaust. We run with a couple issues with welding, apparently because in this garage I just have like one outlet, and I'm using the majority of the power here. It was not a lot of juice for that I can have a solid weld. So my dad took it to his shop, and my dad lives all the way in Mexico. So he took it and he welded it at his shop because he does fences and all that stuff for houses and stuff. But finally, weeks later, we got the exhaust back. I'm anxious to show you guys how it is. It's so amazing. I'm in love with it. Again, it's a HKS Megan Racing exhaust. So let's see it. Look at that. The test pipes: white pipe, mid pipe with X pipe, sorry, mid X pipe. And you got the HKS offers right there. We had a custom make this because the original one was 1.5 OD, and I wanted to run everything with a 2.5, so everything is a 2.5, so it has a better flow and all that stuff. The only thing I'm just missing for that we can install this exhaust is just 2 clamps. I'm gonna put it there and then start putting it, mounting it to the car. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Ooh. We custom made the mid pipe again, like I said. We did it, he did it apparently, and thank you, Dad. And look at how it is. Love it. Hopefully with this we have a better sound, a little bit of more horsepower, and what else, and more stuff. Now, since you guys seen the exhaust, now let's go get those clamps and start installing into the car. Let's go. So guys, now we're gonna take off the catalytic converters, the OEM ones, and we're gonna put the Megan Racing, the ones that I bought. So for that we can install this exhaust, the full exhaust. Later in the future I'm gonna put on some headers, but I'm not gonna tell you what type of headers. It's just gonna be a surprise. For that, at least we can get a little bit more horsepower and a little bit better sound. But for now, let's start installing the exhaust and taking off the catalytic converters. Let's do this. We're gonna take the air intake tubes for that we can get access. Let's see if we can get access. For that we can take the out the catalytic converters. So finally took out one of the catalytic converters. It was a pain in the butt, but finally did it. First I was getting frustrated at first, but I was looking into some more YouTube videos and stuff, and they showed me a little bit. I got some ideas about how to take it off, and I really think one of the videos, I will link it down below if you guys want to see it. But yeah, so I used my small wrench 3/4 with the 14 socket, and then I had to use a long one, slim, for that I can take the top part one. That one, oh sorry, that one, that's with the top, like the long one, and when an extension, I took it out from this side. And this side, I used the small one. But what you have to do is like put your hand through here, because you have an axis. And then if you see my hand right here, you have able to like lock the socket and then start turning. That's how I was able to take this one off. Now I just need to take this one off. Sorry about the light, but that one right, I already took off the bottom one. I just need the corner one. If you see right there, I need to take that one off. Again, I'm gonna use the long socket, and I'm using it with a 1.5 size. For that, makes it easier with my D-wall impact. Makes it easier, you know, because I know I have never taken these off before, and I know they're gonna be rusted and all that stuff. And honestly, I used WD-40 a day before and today as well, just to make them more, what do you call it, like more softer or whatever you want to put it. But yeah, and it worked. So now let's take this one off. For that we can start putting our test pipes. But right now, once I'm taking that off, I'm gonna take the O2 sensors off, and you guys are gonna see that too. Okay, so stay tuned. So one of the bolts for the test pipes is kicking my butt. I have like literally like 3 hours just fighting one bolt. It seized. I went like twice back and forth to the auto shop, to like AutoZone and Harbor Freight to get more tools that I needed. I'm thinking of taking off the bolt, but so far no luck yet. It's just one bolt, and it's the driver's side test pipe, the one on top that you have to take it from top. That's the only one that's seized right now. And honestly, I'm getting frustrated now. Honestly, it's just one freaking bolt for that. I'm done with taking out the test pipes, and I can start putting the new exhaust system, as you guys can see, right? I have them ready, but no luck. I don't know what to do now. How can I take that off? It's like a little bit of space and stuff like that for I can put more tools in. Or my hand barely fits. I don't know. Any suggestions, guys? Please comment below. Anything I could have done or do, please comment below. Let me show you this little piece right here. Is that if you guys see right there? Let me see if out of focus. That one right there. That one. Let me see. Sorry, it looks blurry. That one right there is kicking my butt. Oh, I lost myself. Give me a second. That one is all seized up, and I cannot take that one out. Honestly, I tried. But see the little gap I got some extensions. I hit it with the hammer. I went to go get more that I needed. Bought some long wrenches, the extractor set. Still no luck. Man, just one bolt.